Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? So let's welcome my brothers to August now. And this month, absolutely all crypto market is moving forward and definitely moving very upward now. Completely Cardano is in the trending, and definitely, my friend, all currencies is moving in upward direction. So Cardano is absolutely moving in upward direction. And now the update of Cardano, absolutely I will share in this video. We will predicate this coin. We will do a technical analysis. But kindly please must watch this video completely and like video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. This time I will the Cardano update. As you can see here, the first of all the price, so USD price is come to 1.5335 USD dollar for Cardano latest price, and the rank has gone to 5. And you can see over this time the crypto market cap, so 43 billion, 24-hour volume 1 billion, circulating supply 32 billion, max supply 45 billion, and distribution 71.26%. The chain occur, as you can see here, last 1 hour minus 0.27%, the last 1 day plus 3.23%, last 7 days plus 9.87%. Alright, this time come out, my friend, the prediction. So we need, my brothers, to predicate this coin to understand better now to what's going on in next in upcoming days. Can Cardano will blooms up and moving upward or not? This time, my brother, this chart is completely going to show you, my brothers, to upcoming time there is a lot of chances so they will moving in upward direction, because this is clear, my brother. You can see here after a fails, every coin will pumps up. You can see here this time they will fail us down. So after this fails, the arrows is moving in upward direction. So that's clear too. Upcoming time the price is increasing more and more now. So as you know, my brothers, to upcoming time the price will be increasing. So why you miss this opportunity to take a risk and get a profit? Please, my brother, I hope in August they will give you a very good profit now. So don't miss this chance and take a risk and get a profit. Let's see, my brother. My opinion is to please hold, don't sell it. And what's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. Thanks for watching. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.